Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download Spotify songs. So if you want to download the songs, you can listen when you don't have the internet or maybe when you're traveling. So in this video, I'll show you how it can be possible. So first you have to make sure you have the Spotify app. If so, simply click onto it to open it up. Once the app gets open, then you can go and search any song that you would like and add it as your download. But before, you have to create a playlist. For that, you can go to the library and click on the plus icon from the top right and create a playlist. You can name it anything, whatever you prefer. You can just simply name it whatever you like and simply create. Then you have to simply click on the plus icon which is on the song that you want to add, and after that it will get added into that playlist. Simply add as many songs as you would like to. Once you're done, then on the left side you will see this download option. Click onto it, and after that it will download all the songs in Spotify app. So once you don't have the internet, you will be able to listen it up. From now on, whatever song you add into this playlist, it will get downloaded on its own. You don't have to download it one by one. So that's how you will be able to download songs or music on Spotify. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.